What's going on, guys? My name is Andres Garcia, and today we're going to be talking about the top 7 apps that I have found to be extremely helpful in organic chemistry. Let's go. Alright, so organic chemistry is a very condensed class filled with so many different reactions, mechanisms, and functional groups, and just a lot of stuff. And it can get a little overwhelming. But if you're watching this video, you probably already know that. Okay, so organic chemistry is like an old grumpy lady. She may seem nice at first, it's true. However, to make her stop acting crazy, we just have to spend some quality time with her. Get to know her. And a great way to do this is by using the following apps. Okay, so the first app that I recommend is OChem Organic Chemistry Flashcards. Okay, so the app is basically the title. However, you have tons of topics that you can learn from. As you can see, we have nomenclature, coupling reactions, functional groups, elimination reactions, substitution reactions, fundamental concepts that can be filtered by the app. You just select which topics you want to go over, then you go to the flashcards below, and then just answer the flashcards to the best of your ability. If you miss a question, you'll get an explanation below, and honestly, it's just a great way of studying. Sometimes it's easier to do OChem on your phone because it doesn't really feel like you're doing OChem, you're just on your phone. This app is of course free. However, if you want additional functions from the app, you could also upgrade. But in my opinion, I would probably stick with the free plan just because it's free and it has tons of options. Okay, so the second app that I recommend is Organic Reaction Cards. Okay, so this app allows you to see various reactions and mechanisms through a variety of different flashcards. As you can see, we have alkenes, dienes, substitution reactions, and many more. So just select all the topics that you want to go over, press setup deck, then you can customize further, and then press start. This is a great way to get your eyes in front of material and just see constant reactions and mechanisms to really ingrain that information. You can also delete cards if you feel like you don't need them or you feel like you already know it. But the main takeaway is practice, practice, practice. The third app that I recommend is Organic Nomenclature. This app is great because it actually quizzes you on your current state of knowledge. The app has the following topics that you can pick from. We have alkanes, cycloalkanes, alcohols, aromatics, and ketones. Just press quiz, in which you receive a brief lesson as to what the topic pertains to for nomenclature. Then once the lesson is completed, you'll be able to take a quiz in which you name various structures given a variety of functional groups and other conditions. This is an amazing way to practice. The fourth app that I recommend is Khan Academy. Okay, so Khan Academy is just goated. The actual app is great because you could look at all the different mechanisms in OChem through a variety of videos, and you also get practice questions along with it. Okay, so now that all classes are basically virtual, it's quite likely that Khan Academy will probably have better videos than your professor will provide, as Khan Academy's material is specifically made to maximize material taught through an easy to understand video. The fifth free app that clutches up is Model AR Organic Chemistry. Okay, so this app is great because you can get a 3D representation of what a molecule may look like. You can create the structure that you're working with, and it honestly works amazing to actually visualize the molecules. I find this especially useful when trying to learn and understand Newman projections and Fisher projections, as you're able to see the molecules in a 3D plane. Model kits usually run about $10 to $15. However, this app is completely free, plus super useful. The sixth app that I use is King Draw. As OChem progresses, the molecules just keep getting bigger, not even mentioning complexity, and that is why King Draw is so clutch. You're able to write out a variety of OChem molecules and structures, including aromatic ring, benzene rings, functional groups, all that good stuff. But for me, I personally prefer writing out on paper the actual structures of molecules, but to each their own because this app is amazing. It's quick and it can really help you come to an answer sooner. Alright, the seventh app is Organic Chemistry Challenge. Although the app may sound intimidating, it's actually really helpful. Okay, so the way that the app works is by separating OChem into 2 parts. We have Organic Chemistry 1 and 2. You're able to choose topics from both semesters and get tons of practice. This is done by providing a question and some multiple choice options from which you pick your answer and receive feedback. As you can see, there are tons of OChem topics, thus giving you plenty of practice whenever, wherever. Alright, so an honorable mention of OChem apps is Chair's Organic Chemistry. Alright, so this app actually does cost money, but it's only $1 and it's honestly super helpful when trying to learn ring flips and chair conformations. I personally struggled with understanding ring flips and chair conformations, but after using this app, it definitely gave me a way better understanding as to how the molecules move in 3D space. Okay, so now that you have some useful tools, try them out. Consistency is the key to preventing old lady O-Chem from smacking you right upside the head. I'll leave a link to all the apps in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoy these apps. I personally use and really enjoy these apps, and hopefully you guys got some value from this video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my video, and I love you guys. If you guys can please like, please sub. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.